Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I'll show you how we can insert SD card into this device. Now I'm going to mention this right now. So the device I have right here only takes SD cards, though there's a possibility that there's a version of it, which I haven't checked, that could take SIM cards. If you have such a device, I will just let you know how to do it as well, but this one only takes SD. So anyway, to get started, you need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, and you want to use it to pop out the tray right up here. You'll find a little insert pin, which is part of this cutout. I'm going to push it in. As you can see, it pops out ever so slightly, and then using your fingernails, you want to pry it out. Now this one specifically is very wedged in there, so it's not really coming out easily. Apparently it looks like this is normal for this device, so just yank it out. Try just not to break it. The way I was pulling was by this, and it was kind of like, as you can see, moving around, so it's making me a little bit uneasy, so you might want to be careful. But once you take it out, you can see there is space for a SD card, and that's it. If your device can take SIM, it will be right here where this QR code is. So let's grab our SD card, place it on a tray like this, and then insert it back into your tablet. There we go. And the SD card should start working right away, and I can already see it is working. You can see it right here, set up, so it is being detected, and you can already utilize it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.